Hey, this is Dwayne Thomas, and this is the graduation and reunion version 1. This is there's only one person working on this, which is Dwayne Thomas, and this will be more of an actor of each system. So I spend the entire semester just working more on designing the actual room and trying to figure out what the product owner actually wanted. Because the mentor wanted a room that would allow students to feel like they're in the graduation alone without the animation, just the whole actual scene for the game. So this is what it would mostly look like: 48 seats for 48 students. Then the audience would just be part of the scene. If I was logging in as a guest, I would appear here with the actual audience. So this is what I would be stationed when it would start. When it start, I would start as a guest. If I log in as a guest, this will be my actual seat, and I would just be here watching everything going from the animation. This is how it would actually be. If I was a student, I would actually be uploaded here to watch everything begin. When the game runs, when I click play, if I were to exit out the scene for a second, you will see this is what it looks like from there. When the game begins, everyone will be seated. However, the president, the speaker, the faculty that's going to be sitting in the front behind the podium or next to the podium will be entering at this very scene, walking in while everyone is clapping. So this will be mainly the beginning. When I press play, people would walk in right in the middle, walk all the way into the actual stage, and then the commencement would begin. So this is more of each actor. Is either a student or part of being in the audience when you log in as a guest. So if you're a friend or a parent that wants to be part of it, that actually want to watch their student graduate virtually online, you would appear in the audience. A student would appear and upload it into the actual main floor. And this is pretty much it for each actor, the system. So actor, student, audience, and when the game begins.